Girls, what are you drawing?
I'm drawing a family.
Which family?
Our family.
Lily,
What?
who's who in your picture? Who's that? Who's that? Boppy? Where's Izzy?
Right there.
Right there? Where's Mommy? What about you and Sissy?
Right there.
I love it.
That's you. And that's me. I'm drawing.
Who are you drawing, Em?
Our family. I told you it's
I know. Is that Boppy?
Yes. We need baby. You're almost done that. This is when Izzy wasn't even born yet.
Oh. So it's just you and Lily.
And this is
Good morning. Hey, Izzy. Huh.
And this, Izzy, look, I draw a teeth. A big teeth. Is Izzy sitting on? Izzy, look, I draw a big.
That's Izzy on a blanket?
That's when Izzy was in your tummy. Izzy was in your tummy right in there.
I love it.
Have to have eyelashes because she's a girl. Mom, look, I got chocolate.